अस्सलाम वालेकुम। बहुत सारे दोस्तों की मैसेजेस आते हैं कि हम पीएचडी क्यों करें ना, वाई वी शुड डू पीएचडी। तो उसमें ये है कि पीएचडी एक तो करने से यू कैन ब्रॉडर योर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ फॉर फ्यूचर लाइफ, एंड देन you can choose a path where you can go to be an independent scientist and independent entrepreneur, and independent uh, any like you can start some sort of companies. So PhD actually gives you a lot of skills, like it's like 4 or 5 years, or normal generally in some countries it's 3 years. In those 3 years you learn a lot of things, like how to secure your funding, how to write proposals, how to publish your results, and how to design any new product or any new idea, and how to execute that idea. And further you also learn like how to communicate with a different group of people, or how to work in a team. So it's give you like all sort of experience related to the management, related to the project development, related to research and development. And then also at some stage, if your research is so good, you can also move like how to materialize this research, how to bring it in commercializations. So it's give you all sort of like those technical skills which are required to be a successful person. So some people ask from like my country, from Pakistan, like we are doing good jobs, or we are having the offer of good jobs, what should we do? For those people, like if its job is the really good, then do for 1 or 2 year of experience for job and then move for the PhD. But if your job is not like that, uh, like the good where like you cannot get that much good experience, then I should prefer like you go for the PhD, because the PhD can give you better guarantee than that job is giving you the guarantee, or jobs like the life security or the income security. So these are the like the short benefits of the doing the PhD. uh, so PhD is a like whole package to lift you up, and I always prefer to go for education rather than going into job in the mid of your education, because once you complete your education, then you can go and explore the world. You can, and you will be in better position, you will be treated well when you will have a PhD. Then when you are doing if you secured any job, your treatment or your activities, or like your position will be different as compared to your doing job without the PhD. So these are some my short comments on that one. Next sometime if I got more time, I will talk about that. Thank you, see you guys.